wait, before you skip, I will like every single comment on this TikTok. Go ahead, try me. Comment as many times as you want. All I ask is that you like and share.
Hey everyone! So Bubble Fidgets was so kind enough to send us these 3 amazing poppets of their own. Guys, can you take a look how pretty their poppets are? Oh my gosh. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Guys, look at this cute little note they included. Make sure you guys go check out their Instagram and TikTok in our caption. They also included that they had 2 loud sides, and I'm super excited for that. Anyways, let's open this one up first. Oh my gosh, look how cool. Guys, they also have a poppet game, which we will be playing in a separate video. Anyway, let's test out this amazing poppet. Oh my gosh, so smooth. Next side. Oh my gosh, guys, they're both loud. Next poppet, let's test it out. Oh my gosh, guys, this loud side is so amazing. Guys, I'm in love with their poppets. Also, the link to these will be in our bio, at Bubble Fidgets. Bye, everyone. Hey guys, this is part 3 of everything Fidgets Come sent us. Before we unbox these jumbo poppets, make sure to go check the link in our bio, at Fidgets Come. They sell really cool products on their website. Anyway, now let's unbox this jumbo poppet. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so big. It even comes with this black keychain. Okay, let's test it out. Now for the loud side. Oh my gosh, this feels so amazing. I've been wanting to try this. Guys, this is so satisfying. Next is this blue camouflage jumbo poppet. Oh my gosh, guys, look how good these colors are. Oh my gosh, guys, this poppet is so good quality, and the texture on it is so cool. If you are interested in any of these fidgets, make sure to go check the link in bio at Fidgets Come. They will be tagged in the caption, and they also have their link in their bio. Make sure to go follow them, and you should check out their Instagram. This is their Instagram, and I definitely recommend you go check it out. Part 2 of everything Fidgets Come sent us. If you haven't watched part 1 already, make sure to go watch it. And make sure to go follow Fidgets Come for sending us all of these amazing fidgets. Their link is in our bio, so make sure to go check that out and buy from them. Anyways, we're going to be unboxing this plastic poppet next. Oh my gosh, guys, take a look at the colors. Oh my gosh, this is so loud. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this plastic poppet. Oh my gosh, guys, their circle one is so cool. Let's test out the pop. Oh my gosh, guys, this feels so amazing. Next is this popsicle poppet. Guys, look how bendy this is. Oh my gosh, this is so smooth. Next are these puzzle poppets. Oh my gosh, they feel so cool. Guys, this is so cool. You can connect them and make a puzzle out of them. I love it. Here are some of the products they have on their link. Their link will be in our bio, so make sure to go buy from them. Like for part 3. Guys, I saw some girl on my For You page say that if your fidgets float, they're high quality fidgets. So I'm going to be testing that out in my pool with Hello Fidget Toys fidgets. So let's go. First up is this pumpkin poppet. It floats. Okay guys, since it floats, we'll leave it right here. Next up is their Planet Dimple. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it floats. I'll put this right here. Next up is their Flippy Octopus thing. It floats. Floating pile. So far, all of them float. Next up is this huge Among Us poppet. It floats.
I saved it.
Guys, since all of their fidgets float, I think you should buy from them. They're so worth it. Here's part 2 of everything Hello Fidget Toys sent us. If you guys want to shop for them, there will be link in bio, and their TikTok account will be tagged down below. If you guys haven't seen part 1, make sure to go watch it. Let's open these 2 Mickey Mouse Simple Dimples. Guys, I love these. Next thing is this smiley face dimple. Next up is this smiley face dimple. I've never seen this before. Oh my gosh. Next are these like poppets that you can put together. Whoa. Guys, this is so cool. You can make simple dimples, mini poppets, a triple dimple. You can literally play hopscotch with them. Next is this map poppet. Guys, this is so fun. Guys, they sent us the 2-player poppet game I've been seeing all over TikTok. Here's a little speed of us playing. That was fun. Next are these owl poppets. The first one we are going to open up is this purple one. This poppet is so good. I love this blue one. Next, the rainbow one. The cool thing about these is the eyes are on both sides. The pink one. Oh my gosh, guys, I love this color. I love this yellow one. Next are the jumbo poppets. The cupcake, the unicorn, the skull, and lastly is the dinosaur. Which one was your guys' favorite? Next up is the triple dimple and simple dimple. Guys, they even have the actual logo on them. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Next is like puzzle piece poppet. Guys, I think we got it. Next are these 3 trains. Oh my gosh, you can even pop in the wheels. I have no idea what these are, but let's open them. Oh my gosh, I've never seen a poppet this color before. Oh my gosh, these have soccer balls on them. Next is this pumpkin. Oh my gosh, guys, look at the pumpkin logos on them. I love this poppet. The castles. Guys, you can even take the pieces out. Like for part 3. Guys, we just received the biggest package from Hello Fidget Toy. This is our biggest package yet. As you can see, our whole room is filled with fidgets. They're all from Hello Fidget Toy. Before we open any of them, we are going to show you guys how you can get any of these fidgets. So first, head over to our account and you will notice this link. It will also say that it may be unsafe. We just wanted to let you guys know that it does that to every Beacon links. Then at the bottom, it says open anyway. It will take you to this page and click on Hello Fidget Toy Shop. You can find products such as these right in front of you. Guys, their shop is so worth it. It's actually cheap prices. And they're doing some sales for some of these fidgets. We don't know where to start first, but we're gonna go with these. Oh my gosh, they're cute little Christmas themed simple dimples. Anyway, we're gonna start with this Christmas tree. Oh my gosh, guys, I love this. Now I think this is a reindeer. Guys, this one is so cute. And the last 2 are a Santa Claus and a snowman. Guys, these even came with keychains. Almost forgot this reindeer. Guys, I love the little antlers they added. Also, I think this one is a cat. Next is this Planet Dimple. I've been wanting this one for so long. Oh my gosh, guys, this is like Galaxy. This feels like an actual dimple with so many colors on it. These little buttons feel so cool. Next are these 4 octopus poppets. Guys, look at the cute little face. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. Look at this cute little green one. This blue one is my favorite. You can even stack them. Oh my gosh. Time to open the clown poppet. Oh my gosh, I've never felt any poppet with the best texture like this. Now these 5 tie-dye poppets. Boba, Slushy, or Starbucks. Whatever you guys want to call it. This really cute bow. And I'm guessing this is a bird. This snail. And lastly is this train. Which one was your guys' favorite? Next are these poppet bracelets. I 100% recommend these. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Next are these Mickey Mouse triple dimples. The orange one. Guys, the middle part of it is so soft and these 2 ears are so good. It's like a Mickey Mouse. The purple one. I love it. The gray one. These are so good. And lastly, this greenish bluish. I love this one. Like for part 2 to see us open the rest of these fidgets. Hey everyone. So Fidgets Come just sent us this really big package to review for you guys. Okay, here's a sneak peek for you guys. Anyway, now let's get to unboxing. Oh my gosh, guys, look at all these cool fidgets they sent us. First up, they sent us were these phone cases. Let's try them. Oh my gosh, guys, look at these phone cases. And the cool thing about these is you can pop them. Both of ours were the 12s, and they had them. And they have them for many other different iPhones too. Before we open the rest, make sure to go check out their shop, link in our bio. At Fidget's Come. They even have a TikTok, which will be tagged down below. Anyways, next up are these Among Us Poppets. Oh my gosh, guys, look how small they are. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Let's test the loud side. Oh my gosh, this is so smooth. Next up is this watch Poppet. Let's unbox it. Oh my gosh, guys, this is my favorite. Oh my gosh, it even pops. Okay, hey everyone. So Ariana Fine Boutique just sent us this huge box of fidgets to review for you guys. But before we open any of these products, make sure to go over to the link in our bio and then click on the shop Ariana Slime Boutique. Wow, look at all the fidgets they sell in their shop. Oh my gosh, they even sell slime lickers. Also, even give them a follow down below. So the first thing we're gonna open is this 5-pack of mochis. It's actually mystery, so we're super excited. Let's open it. Oh my gosh, they're in blind bags. Whoa. First one. Oh my gosh, this mochi is so cute. Next one. Oh my gosh, a bunny. And the last 3. Oh my gosh, guys, these mochis are so soft and cute. The next thing they sent us was this glow-in-the-dark Nito. I'm so excited, so let's unbox it. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cool. I love how it's just pure white. Let's test it in the dark. This is so cool. It's even way better off camera. Anyways, next is this red Among Us dimple. Guys, this dimple is so cool. Next is this pink swirl Nito. Let's unbox it. Guys, this is like pink and purple, and it kind of feels like a dough ball. Next is a textured monkey noodle. I never had one before, so I'm so excited. Wow, the texture on this is so amazing. Next thing is a slime putty. Let's unbox it. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Guys, I've always wanted one of these, and they met my expectations. Next is magnetic rings. Guys, these are so cool. The magnetic is so good on these. Next is this infinity cube, and I love how they have their logo on there. Guys, this blue color looks so good, and most of the infinity cubes are like little, and this one is so good and big. A triple dimple. Guys, this has a loud side. Then they sent us this rainbow heart poppet. Oh my gosh, guys, this sound is so satisfying. They also included the splat ball, and I'm so happy because my other one popped. Guys, I missed this splat ball, and this is actually so good. The last things they sent us were this extra baggie and this strawberry slime, which we'll be using in a new video. If you want any of these fidgets, make sure to go check the link in our bio and follow their TikTok down below. Oh my gosh, guys, Bunmo Fidgets just messaged us that the package has arrived. Oh my gosh. Before I open up any of these packages, make sure to use code 25OZBunmo. It gives you 25% off of your purchase. Also, make sure to check out the link in our bio to check out all of their amazing products. At Bunmo Fidgets. They will be tagged down below, and their Instagram is the same. Anyways, let's open this package up first. You guys get the first peek. Oh my gosh, guys, it's a heart poppet. Oh my gosh, guys, the packaging is so cute, and the color mint green, I love it. Anyways, let's unbox it. Oh my gosh, guys, look how cool. Anyways, let's test out the popping. Oh my gosh, guys, this loud side is so smooth. Oh my gosh, guys, look at these huge pop tubes. It's a huge pack of 4. I'm gonna try the purple one out first. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I am in love. Hey everyone! So Jed Baby was so kind enough to send us another package. If you didn't know, they sent us more products like a few weeks ago.